Hey guys, so I'm gonna unbox this Hello Kitty calculator I got from Temu. So let's open it. Yay! Says little Hello Kitty there. Electronic calculator. So let's open it up. Ooh, how cute! So cute. So cute. Turn it on and it works. Yay! It's so cute. Let's test it out. 2 times 4. I did not need this. Did I want it? Yes. I have markets and stuff like that, and I wanted something really cute to take with me, just, for the aesthetic. I love it. It's super cute. Definitely worth it. I will list the link below so you guys can buy it if you want it. It's super, super, super cute. Definitely 10 out of 10.